Want to make AI music for free but not sure where to start? What if I told you there are secret apps that can turn your ideas into full songs in minutes? Today I'm going to walk you through the exact process of making AI music for free using these two secret apps. Let's dive in. So in this particular video, we're going to use ChatGPT. You can just go on your browser and type chatgpt.com. So the song of want to generate is a Safe With You, which is a love song. So I'll just have to give a prompt to the ChatGPT to write a song for me. So just clicking enter, and then GPT will generate a song. So I have just to copy it and then take it to the particular app I'm going to show you, which is Suno, and then you can go ahead and click on create, and then it will run you the simple interface. This one lets you the AI do the things for you, but in this case we have our own lyrics, so we just have to click on a custom, and then we can paste in the lyrics here. And then it has also some features, styles, and genre. So we can customize the genre how we want the song to be like. So in this one I'll just say female vocals and male vocals. Then if you like the female vocals, you have advanced features. That advanced features, I wouldn't recommend you to use them for now. So you just have to enter the title and then go ahead and click on create. Then it will create 4 visions, 2 for free. So I'll just have to play some songs for you. So for the free vision, I'm going to play one, and let's take a look at it. Now let's hear for a second one. Yeah, so the second app I'm going to show you is a Tunee AI. So this particular app is okay and great. Just have to log in and then type the song lyrics here, and then it will do the needful. So just type in so that you will see how it will generate. So it creates a song with you because it will rely on your prompts, how you want it to be like. So I'm going to choose a soft pop for this one. So after choosing soft pop, it will generate a song according to how I entered the prompt here. Now let's play this one and see how it is. I'm safe with you. No walls to hide, no fear, no doubt. When you're by my side, in your arms, the storm breaks through. Yeah, I'm finally home. So if you want to download, you can just go ahead and click the download icon, and then you can download a variety of formats here. So I'm going for MP3, so I'll download the MP3. So yeah, that's how you save it to your phone. And that's how you can make AI music for free using Suno and Tunee. To get started yourself, I'll put the download link for both apps in the description below. I've also added links to the full songs I generated in this video, so you can go and listen and let me know in the comments which one you think is better. If you got something from this tutorial, make sure to give this video a like, and it really helps the channel. And subscribe so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.